So hello guys and welcome back to my channel Bad Boy. As you guys can see, we are back with Minecraft episode, whatever, I don't even know what episode. So in this video, I actually decided to make another portal. Even though I had a suspicion that maybe, because see, okay, let's go over here, and yes, the statue is still there and I still haven't removed the wood. I'll do it later on, I'm kinda lazy. But if I see over there, piggy die, thank you. But see over here, there is a pool, the lava pool. It's kind of weird because I never saw this before. This is the first time I'm actually seeing it. So now I can just either put water, because I don't know how to make the speed running, the people house, they speed run and they make a portal. I don't know how to do that. That's why we're gonna quickly grab a water bucket and then we'll go then we are going to see if we can actually, then we have to see if that is enough lava, that's enough obsidian to make a portal. Because as far as I know, we need 10 obsidian at most. Do we have a bucket? Nope. We do not have a bucket. That is sad. Sad news. So quickly let's just make a bucket. Done. Done. Iron. Okay, nice bucket. Let's go. Buckets. Now we need water. Good thing there's water right over there. Let's drink some milk. It's important. Great. Now let's get some water. And now we shall proceed. And in this episode, in this video, I might maybe enter nether, maybe because I have a diamond pickaxe and stuff too. So maybe I might end up entering the nether or something. But 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, that's enough. Now, I don't think that's enough, but okay, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That's technically all we need. So we have to gather all the obsidian over here, and this is going to take 12,000 years. So I'm not going to bore you guys. So I'm just going to cut the chase where I actually have all the obsidian. Okay guys, I finally have 12 obsidian, as you guys can see in my inventory. Okay, and also there was a lava source block right over here, so I put some water and another obsidian block, 2 more obsidian blocks and some cobblestone, and quickly just mine this extra 2 cobblestone. Great! Now we have to find a good place to place another portal. I feel like, and I need a flint and steel too, but I feel like right over here is good. So what we need is, first of all, we need some blocks. I think stone will do good. So 1, 2, 3, and then like this. To be honest, I don't think. Oh my! This is my worst day ever. You can say it's my worst nightmare too. This is very bad. But I don't really know how to make a portal. I don't really know. Okay. So I think now we have to extend this one more and then place over here. One here. Great. So 1, 2, 3, 4 maybe. Okay, nice. But we don't actually need. Is it going to be night time? No. We don't actually need these because these are the corners. It's going to take 20 more years. So corners is supposed to be a random block. And then this. Yeah. So you guys know, I know how to make a portal. I'm a Minecraft god. Who's Technoblade? I don't know. All I know is Bad Boy. There's no one called as Dream or Technoblade. They're noobs. Okay. Don't laugh at. My life is great. You know, my life is actually great. Now I'm gonna have to. I think I now have to remove all that wood too. But we're gonna go to the Nether first. We're gonna see what kind of spawn we get. That's mandatory to know what kind of spawn we actually get. So let's go quickly. Should I make some golden boots or something like that? I don't have the items, so who cares? What is my furnace? I haven't logged on to this world in such a long time. Nothing in my furnace and stuff, so let's just go without anything much. So let's quickly explore the Nether and see what's up in the Nether. And how can I forget the most important part of steel and flint? This is a wanton trader. Let's see what he sells. Absolute trash. I take the packed ice and not nauseous sell, but I don't have the emeralds, so where you go? Listen, I need a leads. Give me all the leads. Oh my. World War 3. I'll help these guys. Bye bye. Bye bye. There was an epic moment of World War 3 right there between two llamas, but none of them were victorious. I was victorious, become the strongest being. Not technically, but okay. So what stuff do we have? A flint. No flint, but we have gravel and we have steel. So that means okay. So that means, but I don't think I should do this here. And if you guys didn't know, the best way, the fastest way to get flint is actually not by mining the gravel by any tool. It's actually doing it with your hand. So I think I'll just layer out a gravel little like a platform, and let's just see. I just need one flint. How hard is it to get one flint? Because if it's very rare to get one flint on this seed, I'm going to be very mad. But it obviously looks like I am not getting any flint. Yeah, this is going to be hard. So I'm just going to cut to the chase where I actually get the flint.